Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Ocean Casino in Atlantic City. Complimentary stay at a king standard room. See a large king bed, art on the wall, 2 nightstands, plugs in the lamp, phone alarm, and a spacious nightstand area. Large bed, looks like a chaise lounge off to the side, and a view of Atlantic City. See the beach area here in late February 2026. No one on the beach, about 50 degrees outside, a little cloudy today, but a nice view. You can see below someone with a special parking spot on this side and the roofs of the casino. See lighthouse below, other hotels and some cars coming in and out, seagulls flying. Another area, see another beach across the water. Coming back around to the room, spacious desk area, another chair, space for luggage, what appears to be a refrigerator, maybe just a cooler, temperature on the wall, closet. This is the area walking in, and the bathroom. Coming into the room, 2 sinks in the bathroom, walk-in shower, really dark on this side. Looks like a light above can turn on for the shower. Body wash, shampoo, towel rack, but no towels, and just 1 nozzle. I had a previous room with a more spacious bathroom and a more spacious room in general. That was the super suite. If you missed it, you can see in the archive another video. This was a comp offer after tier matching. I presented my MGM Platinum players card from MGM, Borgata, and other casinos. I got 2 complimentary nights at Ocean. One was in a suite and the other in a standard room. Potentially more room offers after this with a little bit of play. Return offers are based on play, as they usually say. Back to the art. See what appears to be a beach and water. And the headboard behind the bed. And no art on this, just looks to be wallpaper. But a nice standard room, not too bad. See additional area to sit on this side if you would like. And the large work desk area. Lots of outlets, nice for a laptop and charging other devices. Have a TV in the center of the room as well. Pretty good stay. This is a Thursday. There was wide open availability on my calendar, so I decided to come here for a Wednesday and Thursday with a midweek offer. We'll see about weekends in the future, but for me, okay during the week. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Ocean Casino in Atlantic City.